First morning, we've got 18 nationalities with how many? 132 years experience. So very diverse group with a lot of experience.
Thanks, Billy. Day one roundup.
Done, baby.
I've got a cold, it's raining, everywhere's soaked, but everyone looked like they had a good time, is that correct?
They did indeed.
So what did we do? We did camp tours in the rain.
Yep.
And it was raining, but everyone had a good time.
True.
And we made the most of it, which you do at camp.
But a few talks, didn't we?
We did, we had a few talks, we had some paperwork, and then we've just done
Hungry hippos.
Human hungry hippos.
Oh yeah, everyone enjoyed it.
good times. Right, bring on day two.
Woo.
Day two, evening activity, paint twister! Paint twister. Washable paint, of course.
So that's a wrap. We've had about 2 weeks of setting up camp, about a week of orientation. Everybody's tired, everybody's learned a lot. It's been long, it's been informative, it's been raining pretty much every day, but it's been a lot of fun. We're all excited for the guests to arrive. They get here in probably about an hour. We just can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or anything, please put them in the comments and I'll try and get back to everybody. And look out for the next video. Thanks.